stop appreciating artists after they're dead. Everyone here has probably heard of the artist Vincent van Gogh. You know, his famous Starry Night, or the most intense The Red Vineyard. Well, during his time, Van Gogh faced rejection and criticism from art establishments and people of his time, and he never really gained any sort of success. It wasn't until after his passing that his paintings began to gain popularity. Today, Van Gogh is known as one of the greatest artists of all time, drawing in millions of visitors to museums around the world and inspiring artists of all ages. But how much more meaningful would it have been for Van Gogh to receive that appreciation while he was still alive? How much more meaningful would it have been for Van Gogh to see the impact that his art was having on the world? Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Megan Poe. I love art, and I have no plans of waiting till I'm dead to get the recognition that I deserve. So, how many of you today enjoy watching animated movies or cartoons? I love to see all the hands. Well, animation has always intrigued me. And what I actually mean by keeping arts alive is the beautiful ability to liven up a still picture. I enjoy animations, and I have been dabbling with this art form for quite some time. Now, imagine as the Mona Lisa comes to life and waves at you from behind that infamous smile. Or imagine the starry night as the sun gently rises. To be able to bring to life something still and done ages ago is like magic. Through the journey I've trod with animation, it has helped me with my lowest of lows and helped me celebrate my highest of highs. For example, these are a few animations I've worked on. They might look simple, but boy, they took me forever. The process of animating right from the beginning is tedious. But in that chaos, I do find peace. It begins with research, what I want to see come to life. Then, illustrating and color grading, the step that really brings the drawing to life. In each stroke that defines every subtle movement is only enhanced with hue, lightness, and saturation. These are only a few aspects of animation, a field that has so much to offer. Nowadays, we have the great help of technology, and technology helps artists network. Imagine if Van Gogh could post his creations for a quick feedback. Today, it is possible to know your audience and gain a reach over what you can do. It is possible to put your name out there and finally be able to shine before your ultimate demise. With its technology and its aspects, too comes its downsides. Today, AI can animate pictures with the click of a button, but the destination is nowhere without the journey. And boy, is the journey from a still life to a living marvel a treat for the senses. I'm Megan Poe, and I have a voice.